For back rolling, I can show you a way that the staff can be really helpful, and any size will work on this one. You tuck it under your knees, and then you roll back. So you create a little handlebar, and your legs will straighten and bend, and you can get momentum, like you're swinging on a swing, you know, like at the playground. Up and down, swinging those legs. If the floor feels too hard, then just put some padding down, a blanket or something. Watch out for obstacles. All right, now you're gonna balance up on your sacrum, right between sacrum and hips. Okay, and you've got your staff held firmly. Your palms are up. You're holding it as close as you can to the knees. Okay, don't go too wide. Now you're going to pull the shoulders back. Bring your chest forward. You can straighten the arms and then either keep the knees bent or straighten the legs to Boat Pose Navasana. One of the toughest yoga poses. Core strength is required here. If this hurts your back, bend the knees or just don't lift so high. Bring the thighs toward your chest. I would suggest smiling as you do this. Feel the heat collecting in your core. Belly button moves forward, straightening your back. All right, when you're ready, come back down and you can lay on your back. Keep the staff there, rock side to side. Release. Okay, move your staff off to the side. Open your arms and lightly twist, bending your knees left to right. Just give your back a little bit of time to warm up. And now roll to one side and come back to a seat.